Hey everyone, welcome back to TuneFresh Techno Insights. If you're a frequent traveler, you know the dread of stepping onto the airport scale only to find your suitcase is overweight. Well, today I've got a gadget that promises to save you that panic. The GoTrippin by Destinio weight machine for luggage, with 50 kilograms capacity. Here's what comes in the box: the scale itself, a CR2032 battery, and a soft travel pouch. According to the specs, the body is a combination of stainless steel on top and ABS plastic on the bottom, giving it a solid yet lightweight feel. So it's compact enough to toss in your carry-on or luggage without adding much weight. The build feels sturdy, the stainless steel surface gives a premium look, and the plastic underside keeps it light. The display is an LCD with backlight, handy for darker luggage rooms. Let's talk specs and features. Capacity: up to 50 kilograms/110 pounds, with accuracy of about 0.1 kilograms/0.2 pounds. Weights above 12 kg, they recommend using both hands to steady the scale. Unit conversion: you can switch between kg, lb, g, and ounces. Great if you travel internationally. Multifunction indicators: battery indicator, auto-shutoff to save power, and a tare function, so you can zero out the weight of the bag/container. Included travel pouch for storage/pocket carry. Here's how you use it. Hook the strap to your suitcase handle, lift steadily, wait for the weight lock/hold indicator, and read the reading. Because the capacity is high, 50 kilograms, it works for heavy check-in bags too. Covers most check-in bags and even heavier loads. Good build quality, steel/ABS body, and portable size. Clear display with backlight for low-light use. Unit versatility and extra features: Tare Hold, make it handy beyond just luggage. Travel pouch included. If you travel often and want to avoid nasty surprise overweight baggage fees, the GoTrippin by Destinio scale is a smart buy. Its high capacity and thoughtful features make it a strong travel tool. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe to TuneFresh Techno Insights for more travel gear reviews.